What's up, guys? You're watching Taker685 here. I figured today I'd do a quick little tutorial on Nmap, or Network Mapper. It's going to be really quick and brief because I'm not going to show you how to download it in this video. I mean, if you want me, I can put up a video later on how to download it, but I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial. Right now, I've set up a virtual lab. It's only like 4 hosts in it right now. My big one's on my other computer, and I have trouble with my video editing software on that one. So I'll try to do this for you and see if I can give you a general idea of how it works. Alright, so I have Kali Linux here. I have an internal Kali and I have an external. First, I'll show you how it works with internal Kali. So this is like on the local network, the 192.168.1 network. So this is basically, Nmap is a great command if you just want to check your network and make sure you're secure, like make sure you don't have ports open that shouldn't be open, or make sure there's no random hosts that appear up on your network and they're not you. It could be somebody war driving. I'm just going to show you how to use this to secure it. I'm not going to get into the details, but alright, so you're going to open up your terminal. You can do this on a Windows machine. Just click the start button and type CMD and it'll pull it up. Linux, you just open your terminal like I just did. So you're going to type Nmap, and we'll do a ping scan first. So you're going to do space dash, space little s, no space, and then capital P, and then we're going to type in the address of, well, we'll just scan the whole network right now. So we'll just put a star. And this is basically going to scan for every host that could possibly be on the network. Now, if you have a firewall or something like, I have Bitdefender on my main computer, which goes in stealth mode, Nmap won't pick that computer up. Okay, see, it was pretty quick. So, let's see. So, see, the scan picked up, this is my firewall here. You can see it's PfSense, and it's the 192.168.1.1. And then here's I have a Ubuntu system, I think. Yep, it's 3 of them. I have Ubuntu, which is the .100, and then here's me right here, my internal Kali. So if you have a big network, it gets pretty cool because you can, well, I'll put more videos up about like pen testing your networks and trying to make sure you're as secure as possible. But right now, say an attacker came in your network. Just say you have a wireless network and someone drove up, parked across the street, and they got on your network. They can run this. They can do this, and they can see every host that you have. And you can run other commands too, which I'll put in other videos that can kind of play around and see what systems you're running, so then they can use exploits that target that system. But for now, I'll try to stick with Nmap. So, alright, let's see what ports are open. So we're going to type Nmap dash little s big T, and we'll do the same thing. 192.168.1 dot star, we'll just scan the whole network and we'll see what comes up here. Now, based on what ports are open, I'll introduce a program called Metasploit later, which will help you. Well, I do not advocate using these on internet connected devices. Just play around. You can download VirtualBox for free. You can install the virtual machines, and I mean, you can use this on your network, but just don't screw around and do anything that you shouldn't be doing. I'm advocating this as like a help you secure your network thing, not use it and mess with people. Do not do that. Alright, so we scanned it and we pulled it up. Alright, so it scanned about 1,000 ports, and I did a quick little thing beforehand. I opened up some ports just to show you guys. So right here we have HTTP's open, so obviously there's a web server running, and 443's open. There's a web server running. That's on the that's running on the Ubuntu system. So if you wanted to see, you could see this. If you see these ports are open, like see, I have SSH open down here. That's the .100 system, which is Ubuntu. Say you don't want that open, you can then go to your firewall and close that port down, and that'll save, well, I mean, it could prevent somebody from getting into your network. But then this could also be a good troubleshooting thing too. I mean, if you're seeing if you have a network with just you on it and all of a sudden you see 10 computers popping up on your network, you know that something's probably wrong. So basically, just for this video, I was just going to show you those two commands. I'll get into more stuff in my next couple videos. But so just remember, if you want to scan to see how many hosts are on the network, you use little s, big T. If you want to scan for ports, ports are ST. Alright, let me go out and I'll do I'll scan from the external network too. This I set up this IP and it's 1.1.1.1. It's of course fake. It doesn't exist, but it may somewhere. I don't know. But so we're going to do an Nmap -S and P, and we'll scan the 1.1.1.1. And let's just see what this generates. See if it pulls up any hosts. It should pull up Ubuntu, and it'll probably pull. The firewall should. Actually, surprisingly, it only pulled up one. Alright, so the firewall is protecting them. I haven't really configured NAT yet, so you don't have to worry about that. But let's go back in and let's throw a T in there and let's see what ports we come up with. Usually, to start out, when you put it in a new system, every port should be filtered. It shouldn't have anything exposed. But alright, so here we go. I can see that I set up some NAT here, and SSH is open. So if you're not using anything that has to do with SSH, you probably would want to close that. If you're not running a web, you can see I'm running a web server, so it's pretty hard to not have port 80 open though. So. And then Telnet, I started to open that, but I didn't finish. But if that was open, if Telnet's open, just don't use it. It's not secure unless you have to. But anyway, that's a basic that'll get you started with Nmap. I'll do more in-depth videos later. I'm trying to keep these videos as short and simple as I can because I'm trying to help out some people who maybe aren't from the technology background or just people who are hobbyists, really. So I guess give me some feedback, guys. If you liked the video, tell me why. If you didn't, tell me why too. And please help me try to get these videos better. I'm trying to make them better and better every time. So I guess this is the end of my video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the